Worrying about your car in Dubai's heat? Don't worry, at Safe My Car, we've got you covered. Our secure, climate-controlled indoor garage protects your vehicle from the sun, dust, and scratches like a safe vault for your car. 24/7 access means you have access to your car whenever you want, with top-notch security watching over it. We don't just park it, we care for it. Enjoy free services like battery checks, tire pressure top-ups, and complimentary exterior wash every visit. Your car gets a protected cover and monthly engine starts. All this at Dubai's most reasonable rates because your car's safety shouldn't cost a fortune. Visit safemycar.ae today, where your car stays safe, clean, and ready to go.